focused on arm choreography, so the movement that you're doing with your arms as you move around the pole. I think a lot of dancers get stuck with this. You can always just reach for the pole, but actually there's this all of this space around, up above and down below that can be used as well. And I think it's just a really exciting addition to all the tricks you do on the pole. Saying that, we're not going to be doing tricks today. That's for you to think about later. Let's just talk about the choreography. We will be going down to the floor as well. So if you need to do a quick warm up, now's the time to go and do that, and then come back and see me. So we're going to start at the side of the pole, just like this. So right now my inside hand is just relaxed next to the pole. So instead of just going like this to grip on, I'm just going to bring my hand up the front of the pole, just like this, because I'm just going to show you that again. So if I just go like that, that's different to looking at the hand and bringing it up the pole, just like that. And then from there, what I'm going to do is just lean away, and as I lean away, I'm just directing my attention from this hand to this hand, and I really want to think about leading with the wrist. So again, it's not just the placement, there's some intention and emphasis on other body parts. So for me in this one, it's the wrist. So I'm going to go out, lengthening that inside arm. Then from there, I bring this arm forward, I follow it round, and I'm going to bring it so far round that it's going to meet the elbow, and this elbow grip there, and then I turn around to face the other direction to reach out. And then as I do that part, I'll turn around to show you in a minute. As I do that part, I want to make sure I'm relaxed in my shoulders, and I'm taking that extension out. So it's very balletic in its form, but you know, it's just an intention thing. Relaxing your shoulders, take the movement from your back, and think, I've got all this space to travel through. It's not just A and B, it's like A, it's like all the way through. So try and think about it that way. Let's go again from the top. So we're just relaxed. The head looks at the hand comes up the pole. Take the hand out, look at the hand, leaning away as much as possible, bring that hand forward, think about what the rest of your body's doing, find that elbow, pit, reach out to the side. So if you're with me so far, great. If you're not, go and rewind and come back. I've got this hand out to the side, and then what I want to do is bring this up and over, so I'm bringing it back on myself, over, I take it to the back of the side of the armpit, sorry, and then from there, I just bend in both knees, so all the way down. So you can see the arms have travelled round to the side, up above, down. So this is all just directed on arms. What can we do with the arms? And this is not even a sequence of 8 counts yet, really. I think it is actually more than 8 counts, but it's not a long choreography. This is just easy, something you can do in a break between all of the tricks, okay? Let's go from this point. There, arms out to the side, lift up, find the side of the armpit. So I'm still crossed over with that arm, almost like I'm knotted into the pole a little bit. And then this arm's just come over the top. I want to place that hand down, release this hand that's on the pole, take it up, and then I'm going to shoot my legs out to the side for this kind of side plank position. Straight away from there, as soon as I get up, I'm going to take my bottom leg forward, put the weight on the outside of the foot, extend in the top leg, come down, and then I'm just going to take both arms up, up, drop. Let's go back from the top. So, take a moment to breathe, talking to myself there. So, hand next to the pole. You can start looking up actually, I think that's quite nice. So, we have, looking at the hand. Hand comes up the pole, hand comes up the pole. Reach to the side. Keep the shoulders down, extending the neck. Reach as far as you can with that hand, bring it round. So you're directing it towards the elbow pit, and then you reach out to the side, up and over. Down, so you can make this sharp with the feet. So the hands, everything's been nice and slow, and then shoot. Hold. Drop the bottom leg to the floor, extending the top leg, coming down, hand, 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 hand. And that is the end of our little sequence today. So I hope you've got something from it. It's really important to think about these small moments in pole dance choreography. If you got something from this video, please like it and comment what you found useful for your practice, and I'll see you next time.